Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. Are you looking to level up your career in cloud computing? Whether you're just starting out or aiming for a specialized Azure role, IP Specialist offers expertly designed learning paths tailored to your goals. Let's explore how you can build your future with Azure. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you've subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit that bell icon for updates. When it comes to cloud computing, Microsoft Azure stands as one of the top three global platforms, powering solutions for enterprises, governments, and startups alike. With the rapid shift to cloud based infrastructure, organizations are actively seeking professionals who can design, manage, and secure Azure environments. This is where Microsoft's role based certifications come in. Azure certifications are globally recognized and highly valued by employers. They not only validate your technical skills, but also demonstrate your ability to work with real world cloud scenarios. Whether you're starting out or looking to advance in your career, these certifications provide a clear path to grow, backed by Microsoft's credibility and the increasing market demand for Azure expertise. With the value of Azure certifications now clear, the next step is choosing the right Azure learning path that aligns with your goals. At IIP Specialist, we have designed a structured certification portfolio to guide professionals at every stage, whether you're building foundational knowledge or aiming for expert level roles. Our Azure training is divided into four key tracks, each tailored to specific job roles and skill sets. AZ track, Infrastructure and Administration. AI track, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. SC track, Security, Compliance and Identity. And lastly, DP track, Data Platform and Analytics. Each track includes a mix of fundamental, role based intermediate, and expert level certifications. So you can progress step by step and build real job ready skills. Now, this visual outlines the structured learning paths offered by IP specialists across four key tracks: AZ, AI, SC, and DP. Whether you're just starting with AZ 900 or aiming for advanced certifications like AZ 305 or SC 100, this roadmap helps you choose the right path based on your career goals. All IP specialist courses come packed with valuable learning tools to help you succeed. Each course includes a comprehensive study guide to guide your preparation, along with carefully crafted practice questions to test your knowledge. You'll also get handy exam cram notes for quick revision and mind maps that simplify complex concepts. To gain practical experience, there are hands on practice labs designed to simulate real world scenarios. Real life examples throughout the course make learning relevant and easier to grasp. Plus, the course comes with auto updates to keep the content fresh and aligned with the latest exam changes. And to top it off, you'll receive expert exam tips to boost your confidence and help you pass on your first attempt. You'll also get study cards that help you quickly review key concepts, making your preparation focused and efficient. So, are you still unsure which path is right for you? A good way to decide is to reflect on your interest and career goals. Ask yourself, do I enjoy working with infrastructure, virtual machines, and networks? Then AZ Track is great fit. And am I excited by artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cognitive services? Then start with AI Track. Do I want to secure cloud environments, manage user identities? Then SC Track is the right direction. And do I love working with data, designing pipelines, managing databases, or analyzing trends? Then you'll find your place in the DP track. Once you have identified your area of interest, IP Specialist makes it easy to follow a structured learning path that builds your skills from the ground up. Now let's take a closer look at the AZ track, Infrastructure and Administration. The AZ track focuses on core infrastructure and administration roles in Microsoft Azure. It's perfect for those who want to build, manage, and secure cloud environments. At beginner level, we start with AZ 900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. This certification gives you a basic understanding of cloud concepts, Azure services, pricing, and governance. It's ideal for anyone new to cloud computing. Once you have the foundational knowledge, you can move on to the intermediate level, where you have four options depending on your interest. AZ-104, Azure Administrator Associate. This is the core certification for those managing Azure subscriptions, storage, VMs, networking, and identities. AZ-700, Azure Network Engineer Associate, designed for those who focus on networking in Azure, covering VPNs, express route, and network security. Then AZ-204, Azure Developer Associate. If you're more into coding and building cloud native applications, then this certification is a good fit, although it's slightly more developer focused. AZ-800, Administering Windows Server Hybrid Core Infrastructure. This is ideal if you work in hybrid environments combining on premises and cloud systems. At the expert level, you can choose from three advanced certifications. AZ-305, Azure Solutions Architect Expert. This is for experienced IT pros who want to design end-to-end solutions on Azure. It focuses on governance, security, and workloads. AZ-500, Azure Security Engineer Associate. For those with a focus on securing Azure environments covering identity, access, platform protection, and data security. AZ-400, Azure DevOps Engineer Expert. This is for professionals combining development and operations, streamlining the delivery pipeline with tools and automation. Now, you don't have to do all of them. You can choose based on your role. For example, if you're a system administrator, then you can go from AZ-900 to AZ-104, then AZ-305. And if your focus is on security, then go from AZ-900 to AZ-700, followed by AZ-500. Now let's look at the market value and career growth. The AZ track leads to high demand roles such as Azure Administrator, Cloud Engineer, and Solutions Architect. These positions are critical as organizations rely on professionals to manage and secure their cloud infrastructure. Salaries reflect this demand, ranging from $70,000 for entry level roles to over $140,000 for senior positions, depending on experience and region. Now, as businesses adopt AI to drive innovation, there's growing demand for professionals who can build intelligent applications. The AI track is ideal for developers, data scientists, and AI or ML enthusiasts who want to create intelligent applications using Azure's AI and machine learning services. This track empowers you to work with tools like Azure Machine Learning, Cognitive Services, Bot Framework, and services supporting computer vision, natural language processing, and conversational AI. For beginner level, we have course AI 900, Azure AI Fundamentals, an entry-level certification introducing core AI concepts and Azure services like machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and responsible AI. For intermediate level, we have AI 102, Azure AI Engineer Associate. Focuses on designing, building, and deploying AI solutions using Azure tools. Learn to integrate AI into apps using APIs and SDKs for vision, language, and decision making capabilities. Now, depending on your focus, you can optionally continue with AZ-204 if you're into application development, or DP-203 if you're leaning more toward data engineering. Now, a recommended learning progression for AI engineers and machine learning professional in this track starts with AI 900 to build your fundamentals. From there, move on to AI 102 to deepen your practical skills and explore further to AZ-204 or DP-203. Now, this track opens doors to fast growing roles such as AI engineer, machine learning specialist, cognitive services developer, and AI application developer. With AI adoption increasing across sectors, certified professionals in this space are highly sought after. Moving on to the average salary ranges, entry level roles offer around $90,000 to $110,000, and experienced professionals are offered $130,000 to around $160,000 per year. So, whether you're aiming to automate workflows, analyze unstructured data, or build smart apps, this track gives you the tools to do it with confidence. Now, let's move on to the SC track. The SC track is designed for professionals who want to specialize in securing cloud environments, managing identities, and ensuring regulatory compliance within Microsoft Azure. It's ideal for those in roles such as security analyst, compliance officers, and identity administrators. At beginner level, you start with SC 900, Microsoft Security Compliance and Identity Fundamentals. This certification introduces you to basic concepts related to security, compliance, and identity across cloud based and Microsoft services. It's a great starting point if you're new to cybersecurity or the Microsoft ecosystem. After building a solid foundation, you can move on to intermediate level, where you can have two main options. SC200, Microsoft Security Operation Analyst Associate. This certification focuses on detecting and responding to threats using tools like Microsoft Sentinel and Microsoft Defender. It's well suited for those working in a security operations center environment or handling incident response. And next we have SC300, Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator Associate. Now, this certification is focused on managing identity and access in Azure AD, covering authentication, authorization, and identity governance. It's a great fit if you are responsible for user access, single sign on, or hybrid identity solutions. At the expert level, you can aim for SC100, Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect. This certification is designed for professionals who architect and design cybersecurity strategies across Microsoft services. It requires prior experience and it is pursued after earning certifications like SC200, SC300, or SC500. Now, you don't have to follow every certification in the track. You can choose based on your focus area. For instance, if you're working in security operations, you can go from SC 900 to SC 200 and then SC 100. And if you're focused on identity management, a good flow would be SC 900 followed by SC 300. Now, let's look at the market value and career growth. The SC track leads to specialized roles such as security architect, SOC analyst, IAM administrator, and cloud security engineer. As cloud security becomes increasingly critical, these roles are in high demand across industries. Now, salaries vary based on role, experience, and location. Entry level security roles may start from $70,000 per year, while experienced cybersecurity architects and managers can earn over $150,000 annually. Now, let's dive into the last track, that is the DP track. The DP track is designed for individuals that are working with data in Microsoft Azure. It's ideal for data engineers, database administrators, and data analysts who want to design, implement, and manage data driven solutions in the cloud. Now, we can begin with the fundamental level certification DP 900, Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals. This certification introduces key concepts related to core data workloads such as relational and non relational databases, data analytics, and basic data services in Azure. It's perfect for beginners aiming to understand how data is handled in the Azure ecosystem. At the intermediate level, there are three main certifications, each targeting a different specialization in the data domain. First is the DP203 Azure Data Engineer Associate. This certification is for those who want to design and implement data pipelines, integrate structured and unstructured data, and build data storage and analytic solutions on Azure. It's the go to path for the aspiring data engineers. Next, DP300 Azure Database Administrator Associate. If you're responsible for managing SQL based systems, performing maintenance, backups, and optimizing performance in Azure hosted databases, this certification is a great fit. Next, DP500 Azure Enterprise Data Analyst Associate. Tailored for professionals using Power BI and other tools to perform advanced data analytics and reporting on large datasets. This role often bridges data engineering and business intelligence. At the expert level, there's a specialty certification, DP420, Azure Cosmos DB Developer Specialty, focused on professionals who build highly responsive and scalable NoSQL applications using Cosmos DB. This certification is ideal for developers and engineers working on global scale applications. Now let's look at a recommended learning path. If you want to become a data engineer, start with DP 900, move to DP 203, and you can also advance to DP 420 if you work with NoSQL solutions. For those interested in database administration, follow DP 900 and then DP 300. And if your focus is data analytics, especially with Power BI and reporting, then DP 900 followed by DP 500 is a suitable route. The demand for data professionals continues to grow as businesses increasingly rely on data for decision making and strategy. Popular job titles include Azure Data Engineer, Database Administrator, Enterprise Data Analyst, and NoSQL Developer. Salary ranges vary based on role and experience. Entry level positions such as Junior Data Analyst can start around $65,000, while experienced data engineers or enterprise data architects can earn up to $130,000 to $150,000 annually. By now, you have seen how Microsoft's role based certification paths are structured. Whether you're an infrastructure engineer, developer, security professional, data analyst, or AI specialist, there is a learning track tailored to your career goals. Each certification builds on the previous one, helping you move from foundational knowledge to hands on expertise and finally to specialized expert level roles. What's great about this approach is the flexibility. You don't have to take every exam. Instead, choose the certifications that align with your current job or the role you're aiming for. These credentials not only validate your skills but also significantly boost your visibility in the job market. So, are you ready to take the next step in the cloud journey? Start by identifying the role that best matches your interests and career aspirations. Then follow the recommended path for that track. Enroll in IP Specialist as your certification course today and gain the skills, confidence, and credentials to stand out in the world of cloud security. You can also purchase our books directly from Amazon to reinforce your learning and stay exam ready. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.